Very high. That will come in. In today's video, we are going to dive into some facts and details about the company, including its latest updates and key insights.
AIA Engineering Limited, a global leader in high chromium wear-resistant parts. AIA Engineering Limited, along with its subsidiary Viga Industries, is a global leader in the design, development, production, installation, and servicing of high chromium wear-resistant parts. These parts are essential for grinding equipment used in industries like cement, mining, and quarrying. With over 40 years of experience, AIA Engineering has set high standards for quality, service, and innovation, earning a strong reputation as a global solution provider for industrial machinery. Key features: high chromium wear parts manufacturing. AIA Engineering produces wear-resistant parts designed to enhance the durability and efficiency of grinding equipment used in heavy industries such as cement, mining, and quarrying. Comprehensive solutions. From design and production to installation and servicing, AIA Engineering offers a complete suite of solutions, ensuring maximum equipment performance and reduced downtime for their clients. Global reach and reputation. The company has earned a global reputation for excellence through continuous innovation and consistent quality, catering to the evolving needs of industrial sectors worldwide. Innovation and quality. With over 4 decades of expertise, AIA Engineering continually invests in research and development, delivering cutting-edge solutions to extend the lifespan of machinery and optimize production. Membership process, careers, skilled professionals and innovators work together at AIA Engineering to offer groundbreaking solutions in industrial machinery. The company offers a collaborative and progressive work environment for those passionate about enhancing equipment performance in the cement, mining, and quarry industries. Company culture. Built on a legacy of innovation and quality, AIA Engineering fosters a culture that emphasizes technological advancements and superior customer service. The company's commitment to creating long-lasting solutions ensures strong client relationships and sustained business growth. Company information summary. Website linked to www.aiaengineering.com. Phone +91 7966047800. Industry, industrial machinery manufacturing. Headquarters, India. Founded, 1978. Company size, 1,001 to 5,000 employees. AIA Engineering's extensive experience, innovative approach, and focus on quality have positioned it as a trusted global player in the industrial machinery manufacturing sector, continuously meeting the demands of industries that rely on grinding equipment. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.